Hello friends, myself Chetan Thakur. Today we will start the economic English medium chapter number 2. Now solve textbook question 2.2. Here given details. One species contain 18 electron, 16 proton and 16 neutron. So write down its symbol and which element are given here. So first we here see that number of proton is equal to 16. Therefore atomic number of this element is equal to 16. So atomic number Z is equal to 16. Therefore 16 atomic number, it means sulfur, and symbol is S. Now find symbolize them. It means number of proton, atomic number represented number of proton, then atomic mass represented number of proton plus number of neutrons. So atomic mass is equal to number of proton plus number of neutron. So number of proton is equal to 16 plus number of neutron is equal to 16. Therefore answer is 32. Now here 16 it means represented number of proton, but number of electron is equal to here 18. It means 2 more than proton. So symbol sulfur in subscript we have to written down atomic number. Atomic number it means represented at 16, and here superscript represented atomic mass. It means mass is 32. But here 2 more electron than proton. Therefore charge is -2. So symbol of this element is 16 atomic number, atomic mass is 32, and -2 written down because here 16 proton plus more than 2 electron, it means -2. So 16 as -2 and atomic mass is 2. Now another question of exercise question 2.42. Exercise question 2.42. So detail of this question: atomic mass of unknown element has a 81. So given that atomic mass is 81 and the number of neutron is relation between it is more than 72% of neutrons. It means number of neutron is given that 31.70% more than proton. So 31.7% more than proton. Then symbolize this element according to 2.2 question. So here compare. One thing remember that any element can represent and symbolize. So we know that what is atomic mass and what is atomic number. So atomic number means number of proton, but here unknown top only. You have to remember that only atomic mass is equal to 31. So atomic mass is equal to 81 and number of neutron is 31.7% more than protons. So solve this question. Now first atomic number means number of proton. So we assume that because we don't know what is number of proton, so suppose atomic number is equal to number of proton is equal to V taken as a x. Now number of neutron equal to number of proton means relation of Newton is 31.7% more than proton. So value of proton plus 31.7% of proton. So we have to take Newton N is equal to proton X plus 31.7% of X. So percentage are removed, therefore 37 into X divided by 100. So answer is X plus 0, now part 20, therefore 0.317X is a number of neutron. Now we have to solve atomic mass. Atomic mass A is equal to proton plus neutron. So proton we have to take X and neutrons is equal to X plus 0.21X. So X plus X 2X. So X plus X 2X plus 0. Is equal to atomic mass A. So atomic mass are given in a question is 81. So take out 81. Therefore, here X plus X 2X. So final answer X is equal to X is equal to 2X plus 0.31. So answer is 2.2 plus this 2 plus 317X is equal to 81. Therefore X is equal to 2.317. So we have to calculate that, and final answer of this question 34.86 similar to 35. It means 35. So 35 which element? Atomic number. X means number of proton. So represented atomic number, because number of proton is represented atomic number. Therefore 35 is number. Bromine contain 35 atomic number. So 35 mass is element. So represented this number symbolized by 35 or 81 is atomic mass. Now next question of exercise 2.43. In a 2.43, similar here, given atomic mass in place of 81. So here atomic mass A is equal to given 37. Now relation between neutron and proton. So in case here relation between neutron and electron. So assume similar number of proton is equal to X. Number of proton is equal to X. Therefore atomic number Z equal to X. Now number of neutron is equal to number of neutron. The relation between neutrons is say that is a ion. It means one negative ion contain, species contain one negative ion and is a 11.1% of electron, more than electron 11.1%. So neutron means number of electron plus 11.1% more than. So now number of neutron is more than 11.1% of electron. So similarly here number of proton plus 31% of proton, number of neutrons. So here number of neutrons is equal to electron number of electron plus 11.1% of electron and more than, therefore using plus sign number of electron, so we have assumed that more than electron has a minus one charge here, minus 2 charge, it means more than 2 electron compared to proton. So in case electron minus 1 charge, it means more than 1 of proton. So proton is equal to x, therefore number of electron is equal to minus 1 charge, therefore x plus 1. So understand this step is important of this question. Minus 1 charge, therefore minus 1 electron more than proton. So we have to assume proton as x. So more than 1, minus 1, therefore more than 1. So x plus 1. So number of electron x plus 1 plus 11.1 percentage of x plus 1. It means 11.1 percentage remove, therefore 100 of x plus 1. So x plus 1 plus 11.1, it means we have to written down x plus 1 as it is. Now this bracket is multiplied by what time? First multiply by 11.1x, second multiply by 1, therefore 11.1 whole divided by 100. So x plus 1 plus 100 is a division of both, it means 11.x divided by 100, we can also written down 100. So x plus 1, 11.1x, remove therefore 3.1x plus 0.311. Now addition of these two terms, it means x plus this term, so answer is 1 point x plus, it means 1.11x plus 1 plus 0.11, write down into digit, so 1.11. So number of neutron is equal to 1 plus 11x plus 1.11. Now find atomic mass. Atomic mass A is equal to neutron plus proton. Neutron value is 1.11x plus 11.1 plus proton. Proton we have to assume x. So 1.11 plus x, 1.11 plus x, it means 2.11, 1 plus 1, 2.11x plus 11.1. Now number of atomic mass are given in question 37, therefore 37. Now plus sign, so converted into negative sign, so 37 minus this 11, side sign 11.1 equal to 2.11x. So subtraction plus 37 minus 1, so answer is 35. Final answer is 35.88 is equal to 2.11x. Now x equal to 35.889 divided by 2.11. So we get value of x. Division after subtraction, value of x equal to around 17. So x means number of proton. So symbol of atomic number 17 means Cl, and atomic mass are given in 37. But here one electron more than, it means negative ion minus one negative ion. So symbol is minus 1. Here 2 more than electron, therefore minus 2. So here in case minus more 1 electron, therefore minus 1. So in similar example of exercise, chapter number 2 exercise, first question is 2.35 in homework. Similar question 2.35, 2.36, 2.37, 2.38, 2.42 here solved, 2.43 is also solved. In similar question 2.41. So 35, 36, 7, 38 and 2.44 are same question in a concept of atomic mass and atomic number. So solved. Now next theory is drawbacks of Rutherford models. Drawbacks of Rutherford model. So Rutherford model, Rutherford says that the electronic configuration in a nucleus arrangement of nucleus and electron around the nucleus, so is compare similar to solar system. It means nucleus as the sun and all electrons are as a planets. So compare this structure of atomic model in a solar system, and Rutherford said that here nucleus center at a proton and neutron is contained similar to sun, and other electron are move around the sun. It means move around the electron. So other planets compared to electron. One problem to represent this model in above Rutherford research, the scientist name is Maxwell. And Maxwell said that any object to any charge particles, so continuously around rotation each other, and after one time his acceleration is down, go to 0, and is after moving is reach to center and in a and contact with center and covered by the center. It means any particles are moving, after moving one stage coming to the nucleus and contact with nucleus and damage. So this concept use this Rutherford models. So Rutherford cannot explain about electronic configuration and what is energy of electron in different orbit. So Rutherford model cannot define how electron are move around nucleus and what is energy of nucleus. So first drawbacks of Rutherford is Rutherford cannot explain arrangement of electron around nucleus and what different orbit contain how many energy of this orbit. So cannot simplify and derive this model. So in a detailed understanding, so Maxwell another say that another word have two in a electric field, two charge, suppose Q1 and Q2 contain, and K is a constant and distance between two charge is R. So relation is this type of electric force are applied on a charge particle. In a similar way, have a gravitational force. It means gravitational force F is equal to G means gravitational constant, and M1, MM2 is a two mass of any substance. So this, according to this equation, force applied between two particles when a gravitational force, and this is a magnetic force. So in an electric field, two charge contain this type of force applied according to two equations. So Rutherford cannot explain how arrangement of electron, and it means another drawback is not explain stability of atomic model. So here two drawbacks of Rutherford important for 1 or 2 marks question. First is cannot explain stability of atomic model. Second, cannot explain how can you electrons are around moving around nucleus and what is energy of this electron orbit. So two drawbacks are remembered, and remains all over some are write down in notebooks. Thank you.